Hilo, Lincolnshire.
Okay. Mitsubishi elevator. Down or up? Down.
Up.
What floor tayo paakyat? What floor?
Fifth floor.
Fifth floor tayo.
Then we will go back here.
We'll go back here.
Ano, halika naman.
Which one is the elevator? Oh, what's this? Is this here?
Come on. Sa fifth floor.
Yan. Nandito na tayo. Nasa food court tayo. That's it.